Hello everyone, welcome to the ZF PowerLine 8-speed automatic transmission product demo. My name is Andre Cole. I am the manager of the North America Commercial Vehicle Driveline Business Development. I will be covering in today's demo ZF PowerLine specifications and customer benefits when driving a vehicle equipped with ZF PowerLine 8-speed. And last but not the least, product features including some exclusive features only available with ZF PowerLine. Before we jump into PowerLine product details, I would like to share some exciting news that were recently announced publicly. The ZF PowerLine will be produced in the United States at an existing ZF manufacturing plant. The ZF plant is located in Gray Court, South Carolina. This is a state-of-the-art facility that has produced more than 5.5 million transmissions since 2012. PowerLine will be produced on a dedicated new assembly line, which will bring more than 500 new jobs to South Carolina. Switching to the ZF PowerLine product specifications, I'm going to highlight some of the key ZF differentiators seen in the chart here. ZF has 8 speeds, and it's worth to mention that the ZF PowerLine is the only 8-speed transmission available for the commercial vehicle application. ZF PowerLine operates with 4 gear sets, which is the same amount of gear sets as 6-speed transmissions. However, due to ZF's superior transmission architecture, the PowerLine transmission provides 2 additional speeds with the same amount of gear sets. ZF PowerLine is rated at max torque of 1,000 pound-foot. GCW is rated at 57,000 pounds, covering class 3 all the way to baby 8. Park lock, one of the ZF safety features, is rated at 26,000 pounds or 50,000 pounds depending on application. And one final point, PowerLine is equipped with live drive dual PTO rated at 516 pound-foot when single and 738 pound-foot when combined. Now let's explore some of the PowerLine product attributes that will benefit end customers. ZF PowerLine has 15% better acceleration compared with existing 6-speed transmissions available in the market. That is possible due to advanced technology, including fast shifting capability, lockup being applied right after launch, and additional speeds. PowerLine can provide more than 10% improved fuel economy depending on duty cycle. There are units in operation today that have achieved 11.5% better fuel economy when compared with other products. This better fuel economy is achieved because of PowerLine more efficient gear steps, additional gears, and its advanced software and hardware architecture. PowerLine architecture operates with less moving parts, reducing losses and consequently promoting a better fuel economy. It is all about physics and proven by physics. ZF PowerLine is the only commercial vehicle transmission available in the market that is equipped with twin torsional damper and advanced software promoting very smooth ride. ZF PowerLine delivers a clean, compact installation package. There is no external hardware, just one electrical connector between the engine and transmission. It's literally a drop-in transmission. There is no external and additional hardware required. PowerLine is designed with integrated mechatronics and TCU, all in one package. It does not have any external speed sensors, minimizing exposure to environmental elements. It shifts by wire eliminating park pole and shift selector cables. It's indeed a drop-in transmission solution. This innovative design reduces complexity for OEMs at install, eliminating assembly steps and number of external parts to deal with. This clean, compact design also brings advantages to the end users, reducing maintenance time and cost, consequently enhancing overall total cost of ownership. Now, let me go over some of the ZF PowerLine unique features which enhance drivability, performance, efficiency, and safety. Motion DRD feature. What is this feature? What are the benefits? DRD feature allows the driver to shift straight from drive to reverse and reverse to drive without a full stop. Perfect, efficient, and safe way to maneuver your truck. DRD feature allows the driver to keep his focus on his surroundings, enhancing overall safety while he maneuvers the truck. On a dock ramp, for example. Another good example where this feature could be very useful is when a truck needs to be parked on a busy city to unload its cargo. Driver will be able to easily maneuver a 33,000-pound truck. Another feature of PowerLine transmission is an industry-exclusive safety feature. It's called Auto Park. Auto Park enhances vehicle safety by automatically shifting to park when specific parameters are met. These parameters can be predefined by the OEM, such as the driver leaves the seat without selecting park. The system will automatically select park, ensuring the vehicle does not roll away when the driver exits the vehicle. This feature sets a benchmark in the industry for safety. It is a great benefit for fleets, protecting people, vehicle, and freight. Another exclusive feature of PowerLine is called multi-shift skip. What is multi-shift skip? Well, multi-shift skip is a feature that is always optimizing upshifts and downshifts based on vehicle load and driver demand. Double or triple downshifts are possible for maximum performance and acceleration. And then double and triple upshifts are also possible for maximum fuel economy and smooth ride. Multi-shift skip will also eliminate that annoying and uncomfortable gear hunting often noticed during hill climb. The feature will intelligently select the ideal gear for the driver, eliminating the gear hunting event. This feature optimizes acceleration, fuel economy, providing a driving experience that operators will really enjoy. PowerLine is equipped with dual live drive PTO. Engine-driven dual-side PTO is ideal for applications that require PTO engagement with vehicle in operation. This is ideal for snowplows, stripe painters, salt sprayers, and other similar applications. In addition to the exclusive safety feature like Auto Park, PowerLine is also equipped with another safety feature called Hill Holder. Hill Holder is a safety feature that will safely maintain the vehicle stationary as driver has to stop in a ramp or incline. This feature will prevent the vehicle from rolling back, keeping everyone safe. Neutral idle control is a standard feature with the ZF PowerLine transmission. Neutral idle control will totally disengage transmission clutch when vehicle is fully stopped, bringing the transmission to what we call full neutral. Full neutral will improve fuel economy and contribute to greenhouse gas reductions requirements. Thank you very much for your attention. If you have any questions about our PowerLine or any other ZF products, please don't hesitate to contact us. And make sure you come to the ZF booth to learn more about our products.